Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi S5. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic rectangular shape, focusing on its overall proportions. Next, establish the wheelbase and the general height of the vehicle. Then, lightly mark the approximate positions for the wheels and the windshield. This initial framework is crucial for ensuring your Audi S5 drawing maintains accurate dimensions and a balanced appearance throughout the process. Keep your lines very faint at this stage. Now, let's refine the Audi S5's body lines. Carefully draw the sleek roofline and the distinct side profile, paying attention to its elegant flow. Next, add the prominent single-frame grille and the signature, angular headlight shapes that define the Audi look. Then, sketch the door lines and the subtle, muscular curves of the fenders. These details bring the car to life, giving it that recognizable S5 character. Use slightly darker lines now. Moving on, it's time for the wheels and windows. Draw the circular wheels, ensuring they are perfectly round, and then add the detailed spoke patterns. Next, carefully outline the windows and the side mirrors with precision, capturing their exact shapes. Finally, add subtle shading to create depth and a realistic finish, especially under the car and within the wheel wells. This step truly makes your Audi S5 drawing pop off the page. To finalize your Audi S5 drawing, take a moment to review your work for any areas that might need adjustment or refinement. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are still visible, ensuring a clean and polished look. You can also add more detailed textures or reflections if you wish. Remember, practice is key to improving your drawing skills. Also, consider checking the description for a great book on money, as well as other deals. Keep practicing, and your drawings will continue to improve with every attempt.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.